Nearly 9 in 10 scenes in pornography contain a form of physical aggression, and that almost all of that aggression is directed towards women.
In the very near future, people in Ireland may need to prove that they are over 18 to access porn and other adult content online.
What's being proposed here is the same digital ID, the age verification tool that we've spoken about in the context of social media, being utilised for access to adult material. My understanding with the Irish solution is that this will be within the digital wallet. And if and when you go to access an adult website, because the digital wallet is on your device will do essentially a handshake with the website saying, yes, this person is over 18.
It's something we've been recommending for a number of years now, since we first did our research back in 2024 with Women's Aid, that was really looking at the link between pornography consumption and the perpetration of violence against women and girls. Pornography has evolved massively over the last 20 years. Acts that were once in the niche are now entirely in the mainstream. So the international research is telling us that nearly 9 in 10 scenes in pornography contain a form of physical aggression, and that almost all of that aggression is directed towards women.
That's where people are getting their early sexual education from in some cases.
Absolutely. This is at a time when their brains are developing. Young people are obviously naturally interested in sex and they want to understand more. And the boys in our research are telling us that they're going to pornography to learn what to do in sex. And what they're taking away from that is that they need to be dominant, they need to be aggressive. Meanwhile, the girls are telling us that they're going to pornography to learn what the boys expect from them. And girls are saying that they realise that they're required to be submissive, to do whatever he wants and whatever pleases him, and essentially to go along with and quote unquote consent to whatever the boy demands.